Input. Let's get started. We can use input to start to interact with the user. This will get input, but it won't store it anywhere. We can combine it with what we know about variables. Whenever you get input, you must assign it to a variable. It's one of the things that beginner coders always forget. See how we change the line from just input to making the variable name equal to the input so that whatever the user puts in gets stored in the variable name. Predict. Students look at code and add comments to predict what it will do. A more efficient way to combine input and output prompts. The third line of code does the same job as the first two. This makes our program more efficient as it uses less code. We like efficient programs. We don't have to write as much code, and the program is smaller, which means it runs faster and takes up less storage space on our hard drive. Complete your modify and make assignments.